y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charmy'z here, and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I will be trying out the Kiss Falscara lashes. Now y'all, I know this kit is very old. Well, I'm not gonna say very old, but it's older, but I'm just getting around to getting my hands on it to review it. I've always wanted to try, well, I wear lashes, but I'm just not that much of a makeup or lash wearer. I'm just gonna be right up front with y'all. I don't do that, but I do like to get my lashes done every now and then, you know, but I don't like the dramatic look. I just like very natural looking, but longer than what I have. So this Falscara kit is going to be perfect for me. But before we jump any further into the video, y'all, we got to do the routine. If you are a new subscriber, hello, welcome. My name is Charmy. I do videos on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that post notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. And make sure y'all are giving a big thumbs up button. When y'all hit that thumbs up button, you are allowing others to see this video on YouTube, which will be helping my channel out. So if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl. But I don't want to hold you any further. Let's jump straight into the video. Okay, y'all. So these are the two kits I have. I have the starter kit, and then I just picked up an extra set of lashes, you know, just in case well, I done bought it already, so even if I don't like it, I'm going to use it all up because I don't waste money. But I'm going to be working with this starter kit. Now, as you can see, it comes with this little bond, which one side is to seal and one side is to bond the lashes on. And then you get this little set of tweezers with your lashes. So let's go ahead and jump into getting this thing straight. Now, once you open up the package, you will get this set of instructions that give you just a little bit more detailed instructions on how to apply your lashes. But I'm not going to need this. I've already read over. I know what all to do. So let's just go ahead and jump into that. Okay, so this is the kit opened up. And now you will get 5 little sections of lashes per eye. So 10 in all. And like I said, you get your bond and your seal plus the tweezers. All right, so what you're supposed to do on the instructions is mentions for you to go ahead and with the bond apply it to your lashes as if you would do mascara. Now, from reviews I've seen on other people's channel on YouTube, they said that the bond dries very fast. So I'm not gonna do my whole lash. I'm just gonna do little sections at a time and apply the lashes, and then just move on to another section and apply the bond. All right, so let's jump into that. Okay, y'all, so I have my mirror set up right here in front of me, so I will be looking at this camera at a funny angle, but don't mind that.
See the way it's rolling down, girl, I can't tame you. I can't blame you. Yeah. You know the way to fall. You know your angle. I can't tame you. I can't change you.
Internationally known on this microphone. Holyfield, Ross Craig, we at Tyson's though. Lonely nights, I'm alright, I can vibe alone. So don't be tired, I'm quiet, no inquiring though. I know your angles, way back then bitches show your bracelet. Cartier stacking for days, look like Thanos. You saying the universe ain't grateful. I put infinity stones, I know your fingers. Generous when I got feelings for who I got. Feelings for when I'm not feeling you, girl, I'm not dealing with other feelings. I feel that you feel a lot, cause I be in my feelings, I'm giving you what I've got. Maybe I'm on your page, maybe I got no heart. Maybe I can't love you cause I don't know where to start. And chasing your potential ain't enough. I guess I am what I am, but you are who you was, what's up?
See the way it's rolling down, girl, I can't tame you. I can't blame you. Yeah. You know the way to fall. You know your angle. I can't tame you. I can't tame you.
You look good, girl. So you look good.
I can't change you.
Okay, this energy's giving me sex symbols. Pose for me, girl, I think I'm the best with you. Pose for me more, I think you the best for me. Now post when I'm done and credit your ex nigga. Yeah, you petty, you flex different. You know I be the plug, the one to connect with you. Now go up in these stores and tell them who mess with you. You know I take you home, but now you address different. Woo! I ain't tricking, we clicking, I ain't tripping. You sipping, reposado, consider what I say my sentences. I be with who, Christian them, or the slime. They shine for Lauren, I been popping back when Papa came out. I be like, shawty, put that shit on and take a pic. I bet you catch a body. 650, I pull up, they gon' want it to us. They gon' be hating on us, but you be straight, then I be straight, and ain't no angle to it. Store it, hey, bruh.
See the way it's you now, girl, I can't tame you. I can't blame you. Yeah, you know the way to fall. You know your angle. I can't tame you. I can't tame you. I can't change you.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a list, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she comes. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get slid. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get slid. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got vocals in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had to try to let too many bitches getting saved. See that little rhythm, so I took a private plane. These pussy niggas like it when I'm working on my aim. Drip too hard, tryna to the car, to the center, to the grind, like a balance by the name. Drip too hard, caution on the floor, you gon' fuck around and drown, tryna ride a nigga way. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get slid. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown.
Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and did this eyelash right here. I think they're cute. You know, they're not too much. And you know, I don't really do lashes, so. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead with the seal side. Can you see? It says seal. So with the seal side, I'm going ahead and go and seal my lashes. So this is what this one looks like. And I'm just going to go ahead and seal it in. Okay, so let me give y'all a little close up. You most definitely can tell a difference. You know, they're not too bad. They're not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the results of my lashes, y'all. I think I like them. I think they're cute. You know, they look natural. I mean, they look a little. Of course, they look way fuller than my natural lashes, but at the same time. Okay, so I went ahead and applied both sets of my lashes, y'all. I think they look good. Of course, they look thicker than my natural lashes. But overall, y'all, it was easy to apply. Now, I'll be honest, because I am left-handed, the right side was harder to apply until, well, that first little cluster of lashes was hard to apply until I understood how to hold my hand the right way. But that has nothing to do with the product. That was all me. But, it was really easy to apply, you know, once I got that first one on, and then the rest of them just went on with no issues at all. So yes, it was really easy to install, y'all. They are very natural looking. Like, they look really, really good, y'all. I really like them. I think they're so cute. And please don't become addicted to lashes, girl. But I feel like that's what I'm gonna do. Now, I'm gonna give y'all an update. I'm gonna see how long these last, because they say, let's see. How long are these supposed to last? it doesn't say exactly how long it's supposed to last, but from other reviews I've heard, people were able to wear these for at least 7 to 10 days. So I'll come back with the update to show y'all exactly when they start falling out and how long did it take. But as for now, this is day 1, so yes, I'll let y'all go ahead and look. And also I'll do an update of when I go ahead and apply these. Now from the looks of these are the exact same ones that I used that came with this kit. Now I have noticed that on the other kits, hold on. Now I did notice that these lashes right here are the exact same that came in the starter kit. But they do also have some other thicker ones. I've noticed that a lot of YouTubers are starting to review the thicker ones. I'm not probably gonna go for that. If that's something that y'all want to see, I guess I'll try it. But as for now, I like these ones right here. These are really good for me. So yes, I will go ahead and do an updated video whenever I decide to put these ones in, if that's what y'all want to see. But this, I like them, y'all. They're really cute. She about to become addicted to lashes. But hey y'all, now I'm back for the update on the Kiss Falscara Lash Kit. As y'all can see, I no longer have lashes on. Let me tell y'all about this kit, y'all. It is very easy to do. Okay, so that's a plus. It's very convenient. That's a plus. Yeah, I was able to get mine out my local Walgreens. Or you can get it off of Amazon. So it's very convenient. It's very, you know, accessible. The price was very good. The lash kit was about, if I'm correct, out of my Walgreens, I believe it was $18.99. Don't quote me. It might not have been that price. But I know for sure the extra little set of lashes that I bought individually, those lashes were $8.99. So it's very affordable. So the application process was very easy. It was easy for me to install the lashes once I got my technique down, you know, how to apply it, because I will be honest, my right eye was a little harder than my left eye, but once I figured out my little technique, it was a breeze. I promise you the application process was less than 5 minutes. Easy. Now, how long did they last? I know that's what y'all want to know. Now, how long did they last, y'all? Seriously, my lashes only lasted me 2 days. And I'm only saying 2 days because when I woke up on the second day, I'm only saying 2 days because when I woke up on that second day, I already had some lashes missing in the middle. The middle part of my lashes right here were gone. They weren't completely gone. They were still hanging on. So all I had to do was this and pull them off. None of my lashes came out. They came off with no issues. So I just applied some more of the bond and put it back on and sealed it. But after that second day, when I woke up the next morning, all of my lashes were gone. Now, I'm going to say this though. My eyes water really, really bad at night. I don't know why. Whenever I get really sleepy, no matter how much I try to fight my sleep, if I don't keep myself busy, my eyes just start watering like I'm crying. So I'm pretty sure that the reason why the lashes didn't last long is because of my watery eyes. There's nothing else I can say. So with me, that's why I don't even wear lashes, because I know how much I just get tears all the time. Any little slight thing, I get tears in my eyes. So I'm pretty sure that my tears were mixing in with the bond and the seal from the kit, and that just wasn't good. So to say that this kit is not waterproof, y'all. This is not a waterproof lash. So don't get your lashes done to try to go swimming. Not gonna work. Don't do it for the summertime. It's not gonna work, y'all. So is this something that I would use again? Yes, I most definitely am. It's for, you know, the moments when you just want to put some lashes on, or when you need lashes on. Say if you're going out somewhere and you need to put lashes on really quick and you don't have to worry about a strip, or you don't want to have to worry about them actually falling off by the end of the day, because they really will hold. They really will hold. This is the perfect kit for you. It's affordable, easy to apply, and can be long lasting. Now I'll say you might get 5 days out of this, possibly 5 days, nothing longer than that. So it's not going to be a long term wear that you'll get out of it, but in my opinion, this is so worth it. It's easy. I can do it myself. If I can do it myself, you can do it yourself. Yes, I do recommend this lash kit to any and everybody who wants to apply their lashes themselves at home. It is very affordable, easy, and quick. So yes, y'all run out and go get this lash kit. Now, like I said at the beginning, this kit is very old now. They are starting to come out with more dramatic lashes. So if you like that dramatic look, yes, they have that now. I'm pretty sure that you can get it off the Kiss website as well as Amazon. I'm pretty sure Amazon have them in stock already by now. So y'all run out, get y'all this kit, and you gonna be so happy that you did. Y'all, well, that's the end of my video. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that post notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Also, make sure you're hitting that big thumbs up button. That way others can see this video on YouTube. Why not go ahead and share all the love that I have to offer with any and everybody else. Until next time, may God continue to bless and keep y'all. Bye.